Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix the issue of not being able to reply to an Instagram story. 1. Open Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. 2. Check the story's reply settings. If you're unable to reply to a story, the person may have disabled replies. Check if there's an option to swipe up on the story. If the swipe up option doesn't work, it's likely that the story replies have been disabled by the user. 3. Update Instagram. If the issue persists, it might be due to an outdated version of the app. Go to your app store and update Instagram to the latest version. After updating, reopen the app and try replying again. 4. Check for Instagram outages. If updating doesn't solve the problem, the issue could be with Instagram itself. Open Chrome or any browser and search for Detector. Click on the first link. In the site's search bar, type in Instagram to check if the platform is experiencing any outages. You will see a graph that indicates if Instagram has been down recently. If there's a problem on Instagram's side, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved. 5. Restart your phone. If Instagram is not down and you still can't reply to stories, try restarting your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix minor app issues. 6. Try again. After restarting, open Instagram and try replying to a story again to see if the problem is fixed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of not being able to reply to an Instagram story. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.